Hi everyone, thanks for coming over. So this session now is the lab session for the subject. And so you have on LMS two lab sheets on the LMS page, which ideally you have already taken a crack at least the first one. Um, but if you haven't, it should be okay for this week. Um, you want to click on it to get to it. So I'm just going to recap how to get to the lab, just very quickly to get us started. And then I'll give more of an introduction afterwards. All right. So the lab is under module one. From the homepage, you go to module one, and then about three-quarters of the way down, or very towards the bottom, you have the lab section, you have module one lab, and there are two separate sheets. This is because the subject is for both uh, in person and online, and there's different amounts. So we've just combined together the two labs for the one. So you want to click on the first one, Introduction to Google Colab and Python Basics. This first link, this lab session guide, this is general information about how to do the labs. And I will cover most of this information here, but if you need to look at it again, it'll be there. And actually, the first part of this lab is also, actually, we're already there. First part of it is explaining what's going on here. So, the most important thing you'll have to remember is this is Google Colab. This is where you run Python code, and it will be run on a virtual machine in the cloud for you. You have free credits to run on their machines. But the first thing you should do whenever you open a lab is to copy it to Drive. What we've given you a link to is the main master copy, our copy of it. And you want to make a copy so that you can start doing editing, you can run stuff, you can get results, and you can save it so you can go back to it later and review what you did, what you wrote, what the results were of everything along the way. And when you hit copy to Drive, what it'll do is it'll just copy it to your drive. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to make one, and feel free to make a specific Google account for your learning at La Trobe. I have a staff Google account, that's what I use for this. And so if you click copy to drive, it'll copy it to your Google Drive. Right. So that's how we get started. I would recommend going through and getting that done. I'm going to answer the question. Hi, Brennan, will you answer questions on the assignment in this lab? Uh, if there is if there are too many questions, I will not. But if there's a lull and people are asking questions about the assignment, I'm happy to answer questions about the assignment. But if there's any questions about the lab, those questions about the lab will take precedence. Okay. For now, I'm going to do a bit more of a overview of what these two lab sheets are about. Okay. So the first lab sheet is a very simple lab sheet to get you more familiar with the basics of Python syntax. If you've done any Python programming before, you will probably find this first one incredibly trivial. It's just covering the basic syntax. It's just how does the Python language work at that very basic level. The second lab sheet that we've got here is interacting with an LLM inside of Google Colab. And so that is mostly focused on just running something to start with, like just seeing that it runs and you put text in and you see that it's running for you on a machine that you are controlling. And separately, it is about writing prompts for the LLMs to see if it can, to make sure it does exactly what you want. And there's a file here, this dogs.zip, which you will need to download for this second lab sheet. It asks you, you'll see in the lab sheet what to do with it. You have to download dog sheet dogs.zip, unzip, and then use them in the lab. All right, that covers everything about the content. Okay, the other thing I'll mention about how I want to run this, um, if you want to ask a question, because I expect people to be sort of working semi-quietly during this time, I would say if you want to ask a question, put it into the chat, and then if it's something I think everyone should know, I will answer it for everyone, or I will answer directly in the chat, or if we need to discuss it, I'll make a breakout room and we can talk with a voice to answer it. I think that's everything. With that, you can start working on the lab, in the lab sheets, however much you haven't done yet, get working on it, and let me know if you have any troubles whatsoever.
Is anyone there still? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Is Brandon gone, has he?
I think so because I tried to ask him, but he's not replying.
Yeah, he doesn't look like he's there. Are you on are you doing the second part for lab
Yes,
2, yeah? Are you getting it working or are you having problems?
I have a problem because you know in the step 3 out of 5 step for number seven, which is after downloading the pictures of dog. Somehow I got error that Unicode decode error or something like that.
Yeah, I'm getting errors too actually when I'm running it. I'd have to yeah, I can't, it's not running properly for me.
Yeah, me too. So I tried several times.
Yeah. How far through what course are you doing? Masters of AI or what?
Yeah, yeah.
And how far through it are you?
I've started last year, but I only take like one subject per term.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I've done four things, 4 or 5, I think.
Yep.
How
Okay.
about you, Graham?
I started this last year. I got some exemptions, but yeah, I just yeah, finding it hard. A lot of work.
I
Because I'm
know,
not,
yeah, I feel the same because I work full time as well, so it's
yeah.
difficult to catch up, I think.
Yeah, what background are you from?
I
In
am from finance or accounting.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah.
How about you, Graham?
Look, I do project management, so I'm not technical. So
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So but I do a bit of care work as well. So
Yeah,
not working in IT at the moment, but doing a bit of care work and caring for my mum. That's all. So taking some
yeah,
time
okay.
out. Yeah.
I'm
Okay. Well, I suppose we just got to wait till Friday then, don't we?
I think so because yeah, I think there might be some steps we miss or something.
Yeah, because I'm getting the errors too, which is annoying.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
And did you change the Google Gemini to Learner or
to what?
you know Brandon told us to change the Google Gemini mode to Learner instead of what is it, the one that he mentioned before?
Oh, no, no, that's right. I've forgotten about that. That's right, to a student one, yeah.
Yes, yes. It still give me the instruction how to correct it, but then I just because when Google Gemini try to fix the code, I think they try to highlight with green for the correction, but they also ask us to basically to delete the red one, which is the incorrect one. But I don't want to change Brandon code.
Yeah, yeah, no, that's right.
Yeah.
So so you downloaded dogs, yeah?
I did download the docs
Yeah, and then when you
and
ran
then
when you ran it, it gave you errors, yeah?
yeah, just before the last step, I think number 2 from the last step.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm guessing we just need to wait on Friday then because Brandon
Looks
not
like.
here anymore.
I thought he would at least be there till 9 o'clock, but anyway.
Yeah, but
Never
maybe we
mind.
can ask I mean, I don't know, ChatGPT or I don't know, Google
Uh, I
Gemini.
I would just wait for him really because ChatGPT doesn't know the whole background of what we're doing. So
Yeah, yeah. To maybe yeah, we have to explain too much for them to know the story, maybe.
yeah, yeah. Look, I think let's just let's just wait for him. I
I
think
think so on Friday.
because there's only how many lab sessions are there? There's let's have a look here. Live sessions. Oh, okay. There's two lab sessions. All right, 5 to 7 and 7 to 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm
There we
Okay.
back.
go.
Sorry, I was working with Lasantha. Are there any, it's the end of the time. You guys
Yeah.
have any
Uh,
questions?
we were going to ask you questions because we're both getting errors.
Oh, you're both
Right.
getting errors. Oh,
Yeah.
you didn't comment before?
Oh, what's right?
You didn't talk about this before. You waited the last the last minute to talk
Oh
about
no,
the
no,
error.
we went. Oh, I actually it's confusing because we were both online,
Uh-huh.
and then I came back to you and you weren't there. So I don't know what happened.
Oh, okay.
Were you
Oh,
out in
I was
another?
in a breakout room for a short while. Yeah, about I guess
Oh,
it was
okay.
about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Actually might have been longer than I thought. My bad. Okay. Unicode decode error. Invalid start bonus set. Would you be able to share your screen? I'm not.
Yep.
It's useful for me to know where in the
Uh,
Okay. So
lab it is.
hang on a second. Just bring screen. Here it is. So I'm up to this section here where
Mm-hmm.
um so, so this is the it's retrieving the dog pictures, but then there is this error here. Did you see my screen?
I can see your screen. Yep.
Yep.
All right. So whenever you get an error, you always go to the
Yeah.
last line of the error and then you work your way up.
Okay.
So it
Which
says
is
failed to retrieve file URL, cannot retrieve the public link of this file. You may
I
see
did
but
I
can't.
did change the permission to anyone with the link, I think, already.
Can you click the link it's got there?
This
The
one?
no, the bottom one.
This
Remember,
one.
we're going from the bottom up.
Okay, yep, yep. This one?
Yeah, that one. Yeah. So what file is that referring to? So
Oh
that
yeah, just
specific file apparently doesn't have the isn't set as public. So can you show me in your Google Drive how you've
yeah.
set the public link?
Oh, okay. Google Drive.
Hmm.
This one, share, share, and then this one here.
Anyway, okay. Um, yeah, okay, that should be it. Um,
You
can
want to go
you
back to the
can you go to the images?
collect the images?
And can you go back to the Google Drive and go to the
Google Drive.
images? I
Okay.
want to just have a look. If you go into the images folder
Mm-hmm.
and you just look at image one, I just want to see if you
Double click it
uh no, if you could right click it.
or
Uh,
right click.
don't close there. Don't close there. Yeah, that one. Yep. And just sh try sharing that one and see what it says. Yeah, it says anyone with the link can access it. Okay. Because I just want to double check that it has recognized that.
Okay.
Um, would you be able to just, for my benefit, so beginning to end, go to the right click the dogs folder,
Google Docs folder.
the dogs folder.
Oh,
So,
the
so
Docs folder. Yep,
yeah,
yep,
yeah,
yep.
get the. I want you to get the link again. So just right click, share, click share.
Share.
And
Yep.
we'll get the link from here. So copy link in the bottom left. This is to me is the most reliable. Maybe I'm wrong.
This one.
In the bottom left, there's a button.
Oh, this one. Yep.
Yep, click that. Okay, that's the link we can use. Let's go back to the notebook and
And
then put
then
that link into the yeah. So that's a different link than what you had.
Yeah, so is it the right one, this one, or should
It should be.
okay.
Let's try it. Let's
So
run that and then run the next. Not you don't need to run the pip install. That's fine.
Do you
You
have to run
can.
them in sequence or
You
together?
don't need to run the install a second time, but it doesn't
oh,
affect.
okay.
It's not gonna change it. It doesn't. It's not wrong. It's just you didn't need to. Yeah, try running again. Looks like it's downloading them.
Yeah,
So I think that might be working now. I'm not sure
I
where you
hope
got
so.
the. I'm not sure where you got the share link from, but it seems to be a problem with the link.
Oh, okay. It needs to have the share at
Is
the
it?
end, isn't it?
Uh, I guess. I think so, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Um, so is that also a problem that you had, the other guy? Sorry, I've forgotten your name.
Graham.
Graham. Is that a problem you had as well?
Yeah, actually, I was just, yeah, I've just,
So
yes.
could you follow the same steps that we just saw?
I was looking at my own code. Sorry. Yeah.
That's fine. All right, looks like it's finished. Looks like it.
So can I run this one?
Yeah, give it a shot. Okay, now I got a different. Um, okay, can you open the on the left-hand side, there's a series of buttons. Can you click the folder icon?
This one?
Yeah, so this shows us the files that are currently in the VM. It's got the dogs folder. Awesome, that's good. Open that, and then labels.csv. Can you just double click labels.csv?
Double click it.
Yep.
R7.
Hmm, that's interesting. Right.
So it could be something incorrect here.
Yeah, let me play around with it, see if I get the same error. I should have done this. That is very odd. Um, Actually, let's double check that the file in your Google Drive is correct. So would you be able to
Okay.
go to Google Drive and
Yep.
then when we're done, can you just double click on the labels.csv? Yeah. Okay. There has been a problem with that.
Okay,
I have
so
a question. I have a question.
yeah,
When you dragged the dogs onto here, did you do that after you unzipped, or did you try and drag it from the zip file?
I I tried to drag it from the unzip file.
From the zip file. I suspect you have clicked and dragged from the zip file. So could you open your file explorer at the bottom?
Yep. Hang on a second. I'll need to
You're
bring
not
it
sharing that
here.
one.
Yeah, hang on a second. Oops. Here it is. So download and then
Hmm. Yeah, okay. So
this
you
one.
need to unzip the folder first.
Unzip this one.
Yeah, you need to unzip it first. So
Oh,
you've already gone inside of it. You need to go back up.
yeah.
You need to right click and you need to extract all. Yep. And you need to delete the current dogs folder on your Google Drive,
Yep.
and you need to replace it with the folder that you've just made.
Ah, okay. Yep.
Yeah. So what's happened is that you've uploaded a compressed version of the file.
Ah, okay.
And so
Yep.
it's like
Yep.
that's not a valid CSV file because it's all compressed and weird, right?
Yep. Understood. So I need to now bring the correct
Yep, that's right.
from. Yep. Okay. Uh, docs.
Graham, do you think that that's similar to what you've had?
I think it is. I'm doing something wrong though, but yeah. No.
So, would you mind? So your name is a bit weird, Mr. HW.
Yes.
Would you mind to stop sharing? And Graham, maybe you
Yep.
can share your
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
So I think
Thank you.
we've
Thank you,
solved it for
Brendan.
you. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. What one are you? Let's see. Now I've got to look at which one I'm looking at. Um, screen three. Okay, so I deleted my uh, you can see my drive there. I created that, right?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Uh, then I've got I'll drag it over.
Mm-hmm.
My download. I
And you
think
got
I
the
had
folder.
to. I'll do it. I'll get rid of that one and then unzip it. Yeah.
I mean, I trust you. It's hard for you to have gotten that dogs folder without unzipping
Oh, okay, right.
it.
Right. Then I've got
Do
to.
you know if you press Windows button and left or Windows button and right, it'll like fill half screen for a window?
Sorry,
As a
say that
key,
again.
would you? I just want. I like to share keyboard shortcuts, and I think this might be useful here. If you
Yeah.
press the Windows key and then press an arrow key to the right or the left, so hold the Windows button on your keyboard and then press left or right, either one.
Yeah.
It'll move the window. So are you pressing it?
Yep. Windows key and then the right arrow. Yeah.
Yeah, you got to hold the Windows key and then press the right arrow.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah.
doing anything?
So let me just do it on my no, put an external no.
No, it's not doing it. All right. Well, I don't know what's wrong with your Windows installation. Normally that would fill up half the screen. As you were. Never mind. All right. So you're going to put the dogs.
Oh, I see. Oh, how's that?
You've got multiple monitors, huh?
Yeah, that's it. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So it's happening to
I
you
was going to
other
drag
one.
it. I was going to drag it across.
No,
So
that's fine.
makes it easy.
So you can
So,
do it for this window so that you can also see the Google Drive window is what I was thinking.
oh, both of them. Okay.
Yeah. Put them side by side. It's useful.
Oh, okay. Let's see if I can do that then. All right.
So you got to click into this one somehow. So maybe click into the title bar somewhere. And then once you've got that window focused, then you can press Windows key and Windows but hold the Windows key, press an arrow button.
No, it comes up with a uh, okay. Then I click on the what one? What other one was it? This one here. Oh, okay. I'll put them both across here. Why doesn't it? Is that better?
Uh, I mean, you can do that. I was hoping for the 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 file explorer.
I'll explore. You can
Yeah.
see.
So if you press Windows key to the right, hold Windows, press to the right. That
Yeah, no.
window, it's not affecting that window. No, you gotta have focus on. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Upload. It doesn't matter. Upload the dogs folder. Upload the dogs folder.
Okay.
However you're gonna upload the dogs folder, upload the dogs folder. Not the dogs.zip, the dogs folder.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Where is that upload? Oh,
I don't think there's an upload there. Usually you upload. There's two ways. You can either click and drag into the window, or you can go to Google Drive and go File, or Folder upload. So you have to maximize the window to see the button though.
yeah, right. I'll just do. I'll click and drag the dog
Okay.
folder. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. All right, it's got. Why is that 45? Hold on. It should be 40, 44.
Uh, um,
That's weird. Yeah, can you double click in just to make sure? Look at it. Ah. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, doesn't matter. That's the folder you need to use.
this one. Is that
Yep.
right?
Yeah, that one. So you right click that one, share,
Share,
share, yep,
share, and then
and then yep,
restricted,
in with link, and then you copy link.
copy link, and then
Yeah,
done.
done. Yeah, and you go to the other side.
And then I'll move this down, I suppose, if I can.
Yep,
Yeah, put it
and
up.
then in the data, yep,
I can get rid of that.
yep, in the dogs data URL, just get rid of all that and paste. I think. Yep.
I can paste that.
You can't right click paste.
Oh, okay.
There's just a problem in Colab. Control V.
Yeah. Okay, now run it.
Run it, and then run the cell two down. You don't need to run that one, but that's fine. And then run the next one. Yep.
Okay, it's
See
doing
what you're
that.
working. And you can, in the next code cell, you can just hit the play button, and then when the previous one's finished, it'll run this one when it's ready. So you can
Oh,
just
okay.
yeah,
Does that right.
yeah, yeah. Just queues it up.
All right.
Mr. HW, did that work for you?
No, not yet because it's showing it retrieved the file and processing the file, but then somehow it's get file retrieval error.
Can you, Graham, would you mind stopping sharing and Mr. HW can share his screen?
Um, get out of this now. I'm really good with this stuff. Where are you, screen? Do I just click right click?
This it's going to be really small near the top. It's going to be like this green and red thing, like a really small green and red bar near the top of near the top of your screen, and not on the screen. I think it's on your other monitor. And like a stop share button.
Uh, I'll stop share. There we go. Found it. I couldn't
Cool.
see it when it was small. Is that it?
Yep, that's
Yep.
it. Thank you, Mr. HW. Would you be able to share your screen? I'd
Yep.
like to see what you're looking at.
Mhm.
You're jumping between each one.
Yeah,
Good multitasker.
trying to multitask. Yeah,
Yeah, it's pretty
Yes. Sorry, Brandon.
that's okay. All right. So the file retrieval error again. All right. For my benefit, can you get the link again? So go to your Google
Yes.
Drive.
Yep.
Don't click the link. Can you close that?
Oh, close. Yep. Sorry.
Yep. Go to your Google Drive, the tab at the
Google
end.
Drive.
Yep.
Yep.
All right. So let's just double check. Instead of copying link, just click done. That's fine. We're gonna click done.
Click done. Yep.
Go into the dogs folder.
In here.
Into the dogs folder. Yep.
Yep.
So that's the folder you need to share. See how there's
Okay.
the folder inside the dogs folder called dogs? It's the it's the lowest level of dogs you need to share. Yeah. All right. Just let's make sure the labels went through. So can you double click labels?
Double click label. Yep.
Yep. Okay, so that's gotten through fine. That wasn't corrupted. That's not all compressed, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can see that's real things. Okay, so on the sidebar, on the left-hand side, I want you to right-click the dogs folder,
This one or
the lower one. Yep, the lower
yep.
one,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to share that one. And we're going to copy share. We'll do it the longer way. Go through share, and link.
Mm-hmm.
We link.
Copy link.
Yep, put that link into the. All right. Run the one that's labeled 52. Now run the one that's labeled 54. Yep. And is that downloading now?
Oops.
No, it's not. Okay. Would you mind going into the docs folder and going to Google Drive and unsharing all of it? So at the top level, the dogs. Yeah, that one. Yep. Right click that, share. Yep. And general access, drop down instead of anyone from link with a link, restricted.
Restricted.
So
Yep.
it's not shared anymore. No one can have it. Okay, click done. And would you just be able to refresh the page just so that the Google Drive knows that it's not shared anymore? Yep. All right. You're going to share again, and we want to share the lowest version of it. Yeah.
Copy the link.
Before that, you got to change it so that
Mm-hmm.
anyone, if the link can
Oh
have
yeah.
access.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Wait for it to update. Now copy the link. All right. Done. Oh yeah, whatever. That's fine. Yep. Paste. Okay. Run that cell again. Yep. Sorry. No, that's fine.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. We'll see if it works, and then if it doesn't, we'll try something else.
Oops.
Yeah. Okay. Um, so what I want you to do is on the left-hand side, you've got the folder. Yep. I want you to
Mm-hmm.
just delete the folder that's local just to make absolutely certain. So right-click it,
Right click the docs.
right-click the dogs, and delete folder. Yep. Ah,
Oh, deletion fail. Hang on.
yeah,
Sorry.
you can't delete it that way. Can I give you a snippet to run? So
Uh,
in the main window,
Main window,
Mm.
which is
you're on the page. No, you're on that same page.
yep.
Where you're running the code.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want you to hover your mouse between any two cells and click the plus code. Yep.
This one.
Yep, that's it. And I've just put an- some, t I'm put into chat some code, and I want you to put that into there.
Sorry, Brandon. What do I need to do? Sorry.
I've put into the chat some code, like a very short bit of code,
Yeah.
and I want you
Like
to
yep.
exclamation mark RM space dash R dogs.
Lowercase, is it?
Graham, yes?
Yeah. R M, is it? M for
It's
man.
RM. It's in the chat. I want you to copy and paste it from the chat. If you try to
Oh
type,
yeah, okay.
if you try to type it, it won't work. Like or
Yeah,
it's likely you'll make a typo.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it's in the chat.
Chat.
Um,
Just wait a second. Hang on a second.
you might need to stop sharing, I guess, to see the window again.
Yeah, okay.
For whatever reason, they've decided that's how that works.
Oh, here it is.
Yep.
Share again.
So that's just going to delete the dogs folder from on the um on the VM. So just run that. Yep. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
good. It's done. You can double check it's been
Cool.
deleted, but it should be gone. Um, yeah,
Yep, it's gone, I
it's
think.
done.
Yep.
Cool. All right. So now I want you to go to Google Drive. We're just starting fresh, absolutely fresh, everything. Delete the folder on Google Drive, delete the dogs folder on Google Drive,
Okay.
and we're gonna make a new folder on there, and we're gonna name it something different. But for the moment, just delete the dogs folder. Delete the dogs folder. Move to trash. All right.
Yep.
Now on your file explorer, I want you to get the dogs folder. I want you to just go inside. Just go inside. Just make sure we're at the lowest level of dogs. Okay, we're at the lowest level. Okay, go back up one directory. Just go. Just yep, yep, cool. And I'm just going to rename it. Just call it something else. I don't know. Dogs two, dogs the second,
Yeah.
whatever. Just so that it's completely fresh.
And then copy this one.
And then put that one onto your Google Drive. Yep. Mhm. All right. Let's share that folder.
Mm-hmm.
Wait for it to update. Okay. Now copy the link. Yeah, go through that just in case. Copied. All right. Back to the one. Okay. You need to put, yep, cool. Good.
Yep.
Rerun that cell and run that. Yep.
Oops.
I
Okay.
don't understand why that's happened. Anyway, could you open the dogs folder again for me? It occurs to me that maybe we shouldn't have deleted it. A lot of it was already working. Why is that?
Hi, Brandon. Can I add something?
Yeah, sure.
I had the same issue. It's keep having. Do we have to, when we sharing, you see that when you share, uh, do we have to give the access anyone with the link as a viewer or
Yes.
editor? Editor.
Ah, I have it as a viewer. So when we were discussing this, I went and just did it, right? I set I shared and I copied and I have it set to viewer and it works fine for me.
Okay. Because
I don't know what's going on with yours. Um, maybe okay, might have to go nuclear with this and delete and restart the runtime. With
yeah,
the
I got the same issue. Got the same issue,
got the
exact
same
same
issue.
issue.
The
Uh,
exact same issue.
yeah,
I don't
exact.
I I don't know what to say. I mean, I just
Yeah, let
I
me.
mean, okay.
Let me do this as editor.
Um, say something about the file name. So I noticed that it's saying your work is being synced. Do you guys have Google Drive as a sync client installed so that on your computer you have Google Drive?
Uh, you know,
Uh,
Brendan, that works. Looks like it's downloading for me when you change it to the editor.
We can change to editor. All right,
Yeah, but I'm
give it a
not
shot.
sure the next step, but looks like it's downloading
All right,
now.
give that a shot. All right, so right click the dogs2 folder, share, and then share again. And then where it says viewer with the arrow at the bottom right, yeah, change that to editor. All right, copy the link now. Give that a shot. I mean, I guess it should be the same link, but let's double check.
just to make sure.
You can run that code cell that I gave you,
You mean to be
the
deleted?
RM, the
Yep.
cell that I
Okay.
made you put in. Scroll up a bit. It's just a little bit. It's below that. It's below that. It's below that. It's below that. There it is.
Yes. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, run that one. Okay, now the folder's gone.
So do we need to copy again from the?
No, it's fine. You've got the same. You still got the same link.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
You don't need to copy again. That's fine.
Uh, uh, Brendan, my one's executed,
Mm-hmm.
but I can see the images still saying downloading. It's not fully downloaded. Is that
Uh,
correct?
I mean, it'll take a minute, or I think, to download. It'll just be come up with a bunch of downloading, 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 and all the images. They'll take a while to do, but once it's finished with that, so the last one's image 41. Yeah, so it's working for you now. So you can see Mr. HW's screen.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I can
The
see.
Santa.
Yeah, I can see the all the images until 41,
Mm-hmm.
and then the content doc label CSV
Mm-hmm.
slash content, and then
Yep.
that means it's all downloaded, all done, all executed.
Yep. That's right.
Okay, then I will run the next one.
We're on the next one. Yep.
Yeah, all good. Looks like it's executed.
All right. And then the one below that, if you run that, you should see a nice picture of some puppies
There you go. I got the
Yeah.
first
Yes.
one. Yeah, I think
All right.
that permission with
With
folder
editor.
editor, because
Yeah.
I think it's viewer won't give the permission to
I
manipulate.
don't know. Viewer definitely worked for me, but
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, editor makes sense to set that.
Mm.
Yeah. All right. Looks like it's work. Keep scrolling down, Mr. HW.
Okay.
Yeah. Run the next cell.
So next
Yep.
one.
And that works. Okay. And the next cell below that.
Yes.
There we go. We have a
Yeah. Go.
dog.
Yeah.
A dog
Nice
image.
one.
Okay.
Three
Graham.
three little puppies.
Three little puppies. Graham,
Yep.
have you got it working?
No, it
All
stopped.
right.
Thanks
Um,
so much, Brandon.
yeah,
Thank you for your patience.
that's right.
Oh
That's what
dear.
I'm here for. All right. Mr.
I
Chuggy,
stopped
yes, I'm
myself.
swearing. And then Graham, you're the last one left
Oh
to get it
no.
working.
Lucky last, right? Oh
Yeah.
gee. And oh God, look at the time. Anyway, so what do I do? Share share my screen.
Yes, please.
Uh Number 3. This one here. 3. You can see that, can't you? Not yet.
Not yet. No, I can't see anything. It doesn't seem like you're... Okay, something's coming through. Can't quite see it, but something's coming through. Okay, I can see it. Yep, cool.
So
Looks like it's worked.
mine's worked.
Yeah, just run the next cell. Run the one that says
This one.
Dog images 1, just below that.
Oh,
Yep,
how do I know?
there
Oh,
you go.
okay. Has worked.
It was working.
I
There you go.
see. Oh, God. God, I'm
Yeah,
an
it's got the
idiot.
green tick. It's all good.
No,
Okay.
I was waiting for this one to run, and it wasn't.
It did run. What it does is it loads all of the images into the runtime.
I was waiting to get like a message or something.
A
That's all.
message or something. Okay. Now the only message you get is the tick on the left-hand side. The green tick on the left-hand side says it's done. So there's a bunch of code cells that won't
Oh,
receive the
okay, this
message.
one. Okay, yeah.
They'll have the green tick,
Oh,
which
okay, that means it's
tells you
run.
that
Okay.
it's done.
Oh, well, that was good. All right,
Yeah.
thanks.
All right. Now you got a runtime with dog pictures in it, and you're ready to go on with the rest of the lab.
Oh, great. All right, fantastic.
However, I am going to go. It is quite a while after
Yeah.
time.
So,
No,
Brandon, one more thing. So, do you have to
Okay.
run? Do you have to run the next script after you getting this image?
Do you
All
have to
the
run
other,
what? Sorry?
all the other script below that.
You should be reading through the lab, and as
Uh,
you get to code cells, you should be clicking the play on that code cell as you get to them when you're reading through. So unless it's otherwise set, sometimes it'll say run this and then keep reading. But yeah, the general rule is you read through. You read
yeah,
through, doesn't make sense what it's saying, and you go, okay, yeah, I understand what it's saying. And then once you get to the code cell that you in the reading
yeah,
as you're going through, then you hit the play on the code cell as you get to it when you're reading.
yeah. Actually, I'm on that prompt. How many are there? So it's executed. So I go by one. Huh? Go one by one. Huh?
Yeah.
So reading and that's complete lab
You'll just keep going until the end, right?
until the end.
You read it, you execute it as you get to it, and then
Yeah.
you go to the next one. So your next one would be improving the prompt. So you read it, you follow the instructions that it says to do there, and then you keep going and you hit play
Okay. Yeah.
on the next code cell as you get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might
So,
finish this tomorrow anyway.
Yeah, fair enough. It's a bit late.
If not, I'll come back on Friday. Yeah,
Yeah, that's fine. You're welcome to come into the Friday ones. Yep.
yeah. All right. Thank you very much for that. Thanks for your patience.
Brandon.
Yep. No problem.
thank you, Brenda. Thank you very much.
All
All
right.
right.
Thanks,
Time
Brendan.
to sleep.
Yeah,
Actually, it's dinner time.
yes.
All right.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.
Good luck.
See you. Bye-bye. Thanks.
Thank you.